Hello everyone. In previous video, I have explained about purchase book in both the cases without GST and with GST. Today, I am going to tell you how to prepare sales book without GST and with GST. All the rules are very similar to purchase book only few changes are there. So, what will be the changes? Date as usual, particular as usual, invoice number it will be as usual, because when we purchase or sell goods on credit, so we generate a bill which is called invoice bill. So at the time of credit purchase and at the time of credit sale, the bill what we are going to use is known as invoice bill. So invoice number, details, invoice number, LF, details, amount, that only. So I am going to tell you how to prepare sales book with GST, because without GST it is very simple, and we have just learned in purchase book also the same thing we have to do here. So let's see that how to prepare sales book with GST. So let's see the column. It's a sales book with GST. Columns will be as usual as I have told you in previous video. In case of purchase book, like it's a date as usual, it's a particular. One thing, in place of particulars we can write name of customer also, and in purchase book name of supplier also, but it is better to write purchase book. After that, invoice number. After that, LF. After that, details. And as you know, after this we need the details like amount of sales, amount, it will be output CGST, output SGST, output GST, output CGST, SGST, IGST, maybe freight if it is given, and after that total amount. See, this is the column for sales book with GST. Without GST means these column just ignore, after detail there will be total item. So I am going to tell you sales book with GST. So let's see, it's the month of October, year 2020, let it September only. On September 5, you have sold goods. Remember, firstly I am going to tell you about the supply. You are dealer, you are seller, you are going to prepare your sales book. Whatever goods you will sell on credit will be recorded here, and you belong to Bhadohi, means you are dealer and you belong to Bhadohi, means state of UP. So if you will sell your goods within the state, then there will be CGST, SGST will charge. But when you will sell your goods in another state, so IGST will be charged. Let's see, on September 5, you are dealer of food grains, like you are dealer of food grains. Then like a Pradeep and Sons, Bhopal. Bhopal means Madhya Pradesh, MP. So two states involved. You are from UP, your customer is from MP. It means IGST will be charged. Output IGST. You have sold what? Food grains like wheat, rice, gram, maize, like that. So you have sold 50 bags rice as the rate of rupees 2500 per bag. Then what will be the amount? In detail, it is, let it is 2000 and it's a 20 bag. So it is how much? 40,000. You have 10 bags wheat as the rate of rupees 1500. So amount will be 15,000. See, total is 55,000. If you are providing him trade discount, then trade discount at the rate of 10%, then 5,500, then it is 49,500, its amount of sales. Now we have to add output IGST as the rate of 12%, then 12% of this, $5,940, its amount of IGST total is 55,440. And how to write amount? See, amount of sale is 49,500 and output CGST, SGST, IGST 5,940 and no freight, so total is 55,440. This is the way to record. Again, September 17 sold to Neha Enterprises, of Mirzapur, just your neighbor district. It means same states. So CGST and SGST will be charged. What you are going to sell, that 5 bag sugar as the rate of rupees 5,000 each, it will be 25,000. 10 bag of gram, 10 bags gram as the rate of rupees 3,000 each, so it is 30,000. Total is 55,000. Let you are not providing trade discount on these products to Neha Enterprises, so no trade discount. Directly we have to go to the CGST and SGST. So we have to add output CGST, output SGST. Remember one thing, these items are exempted from GST. Just in example, I have told you that these are the food grains, comes under the category of necessities, so GST will not charge actually. But these are the specimen only, that if you are selling any type of product on which you have to charge GST, So it will be prepared in this manner. That's why I have prepared like this. In previous class, in purchase book, I have taken example of furniture. Here I have taken example of food grains. In another topic, I will take example of another product. So let's see, 6% of it will be 3,300, total 55, 58, 61,300. After that, we have to add freight also. Like that, amount of freight is given 1,000, then total will be 62,300. So it's a total amount and it will be divided again. See, amount of sale is 55,000, amount of CGST 3,300, SGST 3,300, IGST not given, and freight is 1,000, total 62,300. This is the way to record prepare sales book. And at last, as I have told you in purchase book, we have to close all the columns. In date, it will be last day of the month, September 30. In particular, it will be sales book, sales account. After that, it's a sales account, and after that, total 5549 means 1,04,500, and it's a 3,300 output CGST, 3,300 output SGST, 5,940 IGST, 1,000 it's a freight, and it's a 1,17,740 in total amount. This is the way to close the sales book. I hope that you have understand how to maintain sales book, how to prepare sales book with GST or without GST. Do you know that how to prepare without GST? Just see, erase these columns. After detail, there will be amount of total amount will be here, and just do like this. GST will be ignored here. No output CGST, SGST or IGST. Okay? I hope you all have understand this. Again, I am going to tell you how to prepare sales return book. It will be similar to this only. Let's see what will be the changes. Sales return book is a book in which we record all the transactions related to returning of goods by customer. So it's a sales return book. See the changes. In place of invoice number, it will be credit note. Here credit note number, and all the other things will be same. If it is with GST, then how to write? Very similar. See, you have sold goods to Pradeep and Sons Bhopal this much, 20 bag of rice at the rate of 2,000. Let that he has returned, Pradeep and Sons of Bhopal return 2 bag of rice and 1 bag of wheat. So it will be like this. It is, see, treatment are very similar to that only. 2 bag of rice has been returned by Pradeep and Sons, so 2 bag rice of 2,000. It will be 4,000, and 1 bag of wheat of rupees 1,500. So amount is 1,500. So total amount, just change this. All the things will be same. Total is 5,500, and take discount 10%, then it is 4,950, and output GST is 594, then it is what? 4,455, 5,000. So see, these are the changes. Amount of its sales return 4,950, 594, and total 5,554. So like this only. Here in this case, only out of 5 bag, 1 bag of sugar has been eaten by him. Then it is what? See the changes. Of rupees 5,000. There was no trade discount, so no need to deduct only GST. So just add output CGST, output SGST 6%. So it is 300, total is 5,600, this much only. So it is amount of sale is 5,300 CGST, 300 SGST, 5,600, and after that close it. And in previous video also I have told you that if you have understand how to prepare purchase book, then you can prepare all the book like purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book. So all the book you can prepare. See, last day it is September 30. It's a sales return account, then sales return account, and total it is 9,950, 300, 594, and 5,510, 11,144. See, this is the way to prepare sales return book. And purchase return book will be also the same, only in place of credit note number there will be debit note number. I hope that you have understand how to prepare purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, and sales return book. Now you all are requested to prepare all book means purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales book, sales return book from your textbook. If you feel any problem, then you can send message to me in WhatsApp group. Then I will explain that. Okay. So tomorrow, in tomorrow class, I will tell you about journal proper, and then this chapter will over. Okay. So just everyone go through this video, just read and listen it carefully everything. Try to solve question from your textbook. Okay.